Artificial intelligence (AI) is rapidly transforming the drone industry. AI algorithms are being used to improve the performance of drones in a variety of ways, including object recognition. AI can be used to train drones to identify objects in their environment, such as people, vehicles, or other drones. This allows drones to perform tasks such as surveillance, delivery, and search and rescue with greater accuracy and safety. Navigation AI can be used to develop autonomous navigation systems for drones. These systems can allow drones to fly without human input, which can be especially useful in dangerous or difficult to reach environments. Data analysis AI can be used to analyze data collected by drones. This data can be used to improve the performance of drones, as well as to make better decisions about how to deploy them. The future of drones with AI is very promising. As AI technology continues to develop, drones will become even more capable and versatile. They will be able to perform a wider range of tasks, and they will be able to do so more safely and efficiently. Here are some specific examples of how AI is being used in drones today. Insurance AI is being used to develop drones that can inspect roofs and other structures for damage. This can help insurance companies to assess claims more quickly and accurately. Agriculture AI is being used to develop drones that can survey crops and detect pests and diseases. This can help farmers to improve their yields and reduce their costs. Logistics AI is being used to develop drones that can deliver packages to customers. This is a more efficient and environmentally friendly way to deliver goods than traditional methods. Search and rescue AI is being used to develop drones that can search for people in disaster zones. This can help to save lives and reduce the number of casualties. These are just a few examples of how AI is being used in drones today. As AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications for drones in the future. Here are some of the challenges that need to be addressed before AI drones can become more widespread. Safety AI drones need to be programmed to operate safely in the real world. This includes avoiding collisions with other objects and people, as well as complying with all applicable regulations. Privacy AI drones can collect a lot of data about their surroundings. This data needs to be protected from unauthorized access and use. Cost AI drones are still relatively expensive. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see prices come down. However, AI drones will likely remain more expensive than traditional drones for the foreseeable future. Despite these challenges, the future of drones with AI is very promising. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see AI drones become more capable, versatile, and affordable. This will open up a wide range of new possibilities for the use of drones in a variety of industries.